So this video is centered on cloud services and how you could actually upload your files from your mobile device to the cloud service permanently without losing them, unless you personally try to delete them from the service. Yeah, which you can do that on your own, but I advise you not to, because you might definitely need them eventually. And so the video is in two sections. We have the description part and then we have the tutorial part. So the tutorial part will come in the next section. But first off, let's describe what a cloud service is. A cloud service is more like a house that hosts all your stuff you'll be needing for the future in case you tend to lose them on your Android device. Now, Android devices are like storage devices. Most of us either have an SD card, which is an external storage media in them, or we have a very big storage space and we keep a lot of files in there. But what happens if these things get problems and they spoil? That means we won't get all our files again if we haven't created a backup. So I found out Google Drive and Google Photos. Now, Google Photos and Google Drive are cloud services from Google that houses most of our files on our phones. With Google Photos, it's centered on pictures and videos. Yes, pictures or images and videos. With pictures, where you can upload them directly to the Google Photo app. Yes, and even it has an automatic backup, so you don't really need to stress yourself by manually backing up. Immediately the picture lands in your gallery or the video lands in your gallery, you have it there already in your Google Photos app. So if you get a new Android phone, all you need to do is just sign in to your Google account, and trust me, you have everything back from whenever you started using the application, and it works very well. Now let's talk about Google Drive. Google Drive is centered not only on images and videos, but it also supports documents, installation files, music, and then videos. You can do all of these, you can upload all of these to your Google Drive account and it will stay there till you die or till whenever you need them. So yes, that is for Google Drive as well. So that is a very brief description of what we'll be using in the tutorial today. So let's move straight into the tutorial.
So we are going to start with Google Photos. You should have a